Just be yourself. Do what you can do and what you can manage. Don't displease yourself to please others, whether friends or family. See?
I love you, still love you, don't know. Give it up for Burna! Welcome to Kingston, Jamaica!
Welcome to Kingston, Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah. If I watch you on the grill, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless you, love and greetings. Blessed Sunday. Give thanks to life, health and strength. Viewers and subscribers, all my fans them, friends and loved ones, haters, supporters. Yeah man, bless you, love man. Welcome to Livefoot TV. So I give thanks to life and video. We relish every moment. Life are the greatest. Said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Yes, man. More life.
I watch them on the Jamaica represent for Livefoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Livefoot Patriots.
Alright. Yes, man. I only follow and blessings, man. Anyone there. Let's do the live, yeah. Well, the video, yeah. Whilst traversing on my way to work. I stay firm and positive in the mind, conscious, righteous. Then, nobody tell us that you can't do it or you're worth nothing. You just make it the priority to prove them wrong. Is that answer? Yeah, man, that's me, man. Just make it a priority to prove them wrong, you know? Just believe in yourself. The journey might be long, but, you know, one day you might reach the finish line. I remember them say the race is not for the swift and who can endure. That's it. So just stay firm and conscious in your mind, my viewers and subscribers. I'm begging you please, go and check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston, if you haven't done so yet. Big up all who done so, did so, and give me their feedback. I highly appreciate it. Now watch all the clippings of Burna Boy there, Jamaica over there, and a good look. Good look. Big up Just Chris. Just Chris have the song for the summer right now, summer. Friends are real. Big up Friends are real. Yeah man, so Burna Boy there Jamaica already and a good look. Zane, big up Boom Boom. Yeah, Boom Boom say welcome to Kingston. He say, what? Ah! So I have to add my little piece tonight. So I just add my little piece. Promotion, you know, so promotion going on. That's how I give thanks. I can't do every little thing, you know. Even though I want to be working with other people and networking, but give thanks, I can do my little editing, I can do my little mixing, I can do my little voicing, I can do every little thing, you know. That is just to help the mindset of myself. Instead of sitting down depending on people and being dependent, I'm going to try to learn to do my thing. And that is where I give thanks for foreign, for England. You know, land of opportunities, so you make use of the opportunity, that's it. Holy Emmanuel, I still see. Watch where I go.
Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Mobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go.
Summertime! Just kiss me go!
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, Boom Boom I represent. Can't tire the dance, I check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.
Burna Boy in the building, 7G in the building. You know I love Jamaica. Jamaica's my second home. So right now what we're doing is vibing like we're in our living room, you understand? This is Stone Love.
The park is full of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who know they are ready, I listen to and love. They are real down and dance to rubber dub.
I love you, Stone Love you, don't know. Give it up for Burna! Welcome to Kingston, Jamaica!
Welcome to Kingston, Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah. If I watch you on the grill, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston.
Yes man, so if you notice me that one next background, this is vlog on the go, see? Yeah man, so big up Burna Boy, big up everybody man. Welcome to Kingston. Yes man. Some people I just want to be firm in your mind. Whatever you aspire, whatever you dream of becoming, it doesn't have to be music related. You know what I mean? Whatever the aspiration is, just believe in yourself and go towards it. You see me? Yeah, man. The journey might be long, but you will get there. As long as you have the mindset, you stay focused and determined. Push. Nobody tell you say you can't do it. Nobody bring any doubt in you. And some people, before them support you, they might tear you down, they might criticize you and chastise you instead of supporting you. Remember, the same mouth you say no, them always come and say yeah. And the same mouth you say boo, and them come and say rare. So if you just believe in yourself, don't sit and wait on no friends, no families, you know, nobody. Because if they want to support you, they will. You see me? Yeah, man, if you feel like you want to start a little business, have the mindset to start your business and don't tell nobody your plan, because you gotta tell some people your business plan and them run go do it, them run go start it before you. Book you see them start. Do the same business where you tell them say you want to do. And before that, them never have that the mindset there, the insight if you will try, you know? So just be careful of your surroundings, you know what I mean? And it comes down to the same thing to crime and violence. Be careful of your surroundings, who you hang out with, you know what I mean? Be careful of what you say, you know what I mean, to people, and try not to escalate any argument where you're not involved with. You better you try squash it or you stay quiet. Alright, if you don't have nothing good to say, keep your mouth shut. See? Yeah, man, so just believe in yourself, man. It's just a reason in the Sunday day. I say give thanks for the Sunday. Wake up all the week and find red rice and peas. You know what I mean? Life are the greatest gift. And don't put a basket where you can't reach it, at where you can't reach it. Just stay focused. You know what I mean? And be yourself. Be yourself. That's the main thing, you know. Be yourself. Don't watch who laugh and criticize and say nothing not going for you or this or that. Just be yourself. Do what you can do and what you can manage. Don't go to your, don't displease yourself to please others, whether friends or family. See? Yeah, man, so I don't know a lion foot in our hand. It's a love and respect and manners. Every time. You see, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, so I'm all life and blessings, man. Life are the greatest, man. That's it. Life is the greatest. Just always remember that. Life. And for you think positive, a positive energy will follow you. You think negative, negative energy will follow you and surround you in your mindset, frame of mind. See? You have to be firm in the mind. You have to be conscious in these times. Because this is social media. And we see the world has changed. Climate change, everything has changed. You see me? So just be yourself. And one day you will make it. Because the same thing when I got through, so I share to do, you know. I'm just being myself. I give thanks to social media, I give thanks to the phone, camera, so I can express myself, because sometimes I get depressed. At times, you know. You see me? And glad we can talk and communicate with people out there in the world, in the diaspora, in the rest of the world, you know. Yeah, man, so. All the love and blessings, man. Big up on yourself. All Emmanuel, I Selassie, I Jah. Rastafari. Ever live it, ever show that faithful, you know. Yeah, man. Life are the greatest. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. You know what I mean? Help the channel grow. And you can reach out to me directly if you want, because if you're feeling down on the pressure and need someone to talk to, reach out to I and I, man, because I and I go through the moment at times. That's what I say. Blessed love. Lion foot, man. Base, the man of peace. Real shy.